Hey guys, welcome back. Ottoex, channel where we feature awesome vehicles from all around the world. In front of me today is a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado J90. That's the short wheelbase two-door rarer variant of the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the J90. This one's powered by Toyota's super awesome, best V6 they ever made, the 3.4 liter 5VZ FE engine. Same engine as T100, third gen 4Runner, first gen Tacoma, early first gen Tundras, and more. Worldwide, but that's just North America. Bulletproof engine, really cool to have in this short little two-door wheelbase. This is a two-door 5-seater. It's just got a lot of cool features. We'll go around outside, inside, drive it. First thing I love about this is these really cool original alloy 3-spoke wheels. They just scream late 90s Toyota. You only really see them on this rig. I haven't seen them on anything else, and they're awesome. They're 16-inch wheels. And this one's fitted with nice and beefy Yokohama Geolandar AT tires. This is a highly original truck. It's got only 97,000 kilometers, so 57,000 miles, something like that. Finished in its original Toyota silver paint, which just shines beautifully. I don't think this truck spent much of its life outdoors, most likely in a garage based on the condition. And you'll see that for yourself in this video. So, no fading on the headlights. I love the grille and front end styling of this truck. It's a stout little truck. It probably looks a lot smaller in the video, but this isn't a K car, guys. This is a proper full-size short wheelbase truck. Ladder frame, you know, Land Cruiser Prado, which is basically slotted somewhere between a 4Runner and the Land Cruiser full-size trucks. Take a look inside. I love these door cards. Awesome 90s upholstery. A really nice grab handle. This just feels sturdy. Power locks, power windows with auto one-touch driver's side. Map pocket, door speaker. It's kind of this moon mist, bluish gray, late 90s. Interior, you may see this in the same color in like a 99 Tacoma. It's great. We've got really comfortable cloth seats, which are in fantastic condition. This is your tilt adjust for the seat back or seat bottom. You have seat back adjust, and you also have a lumbar lever there on the inside, outside of that bolster. Leather wrapped steering wheel. So this is the RZ, which is the premium one with all the options. So we've got leather wrapped steering wheel, leather shift knob. We've got the clinometer up there. It's even got a really nice power sliding tilting sunroof. So kind of a loaded one. It's, of course, it's an automatic with overdrive. It's the A340F transmission. Original Toyota floor mats, which are just in really, really clean shape. Manual seat, slides and does all the stuff manually. We've got power mirrors with power retracting function. 4-spoke Toyota classic steering wheel. Look at the leather on this. This is in great shape. No rips or peeling of the leather. All the seams and the stitching is Toyota original. Center console, multi-level. Here you've got some cool drop-down cup holders, a little cubby console tray, another cubby here, another cubby there, an ashtray that's most certainly never been used. You've got your hazards, clinometer, which works, gives you your, it's got a compass, it's got like levels and your pitch roll and all of that stuff. Pretty neat, really cool graphics. We've got the premium Toyota voice navi set up with CD, disc, tape, FM, all that fun stuff. Sounds really good. Intermittent wipers, factory fog lights that are built into that lower bumper, front bumper, all that fun stuff. the condition of this is like new. We've got your map lights, sunroof buttons with key needs to be on for that. Vanity with a light. Other side also has a vanity with a light. J shift, so you're normally running in 2 high, you get 4 high and 4 low. Same thing you'd find in a Tacoma of same vintage. It's also got a factory key fob with remote locking and unlocking. Let me show you guys the engine, because I know you'll love to see that. It's the 5VZ FE, so the 3.4 liter. Just an amazing engine. Very, very overbuilt, understressed motor by Toyota. And this one is in really good running shape. Any mechanic can get parts for this, work on it stateside. It is the preferred drivetrain for these. I think it's a better motor than the 1KZ. It is really more reliable. 1KZ is a great engine, but the 5VZ is where I would be at. All right, give you guys a look inside the passenger side, and we can take a look in the back seats as well. Same thing with the door card here, very, very tidy. No stains in the carpets or upholstery. Passenger side and driver's side airbag. No cracks in the dash at all. Seats in great shape. Let's bring it forward. So, second row, 3 seats back here, wing vent windows for the rear, as well as floor mats and all of that. I think you even get an ashtray. Not that you would need one. And you get some cubbies with cup holders here too. It's just a super fun vehicle. You can also, there's a foot lever for that if you're in the back to get out yourself. Let's open up the trunk. It's a big swing away door. Door's got some utility to it. We've got a little net pocket here and a bigger pocket here and a big pull handle here. This comes with the nice accessorized rear shelf. This can pop up, be fully removed. It's good because it has these load-bearing crossbars, so you can actually use it to, you know, hold stuff up here or down here. It's nice that you get that double level of storage. You can actually put more stuff in here as a result. We've got shoulder belts in the back as well. Point that out. And then your whole, I believe this is that, yeah, you've got the proper bottle jack and your Toyota toolkit. Just a totally overbuilt truck in a small footprint, which is really cool. Really fun to see. That front row, or the middle row, also folds and tumbles, so you can have more trunk space here if you need it. That said, I think give you guys a pretty good rundown on this little one. Let's go fire it up. Got the key. It's got the locking mechanism, and we'll fire it up. Old Faithful, you guys know what these sound like. All right, we've got the key here. Let's fire this up, take it for a spin. 97, 192 on the odometer. You got your shift indicator there, fuel gauge, speedo, tach, temp gauge. All the usual suspects. There's the clinometer in its functioning form. It actually gives you the temperature too in Celsius. Very quiet, very refined little ride with more power than it really should have. Super fun car, kind of a little hot rod. And very, very quiet, actually. I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but it's not loud in here at all. AC's blowing cold, the heat works, everything appears to work great, radio, all that stuff. Do a little turnaround here as we sum up the video. This is a super rare little two-door Land Cruiser Prado. If you're interested, at the time of filming this video, it's listed for sale on our site. So check it out at Ottoex.com, that's Ottoex.com, or give us a call, 503-893-8857. You can also just check us out on Instagram at Ottoex, or just leave us a comment. Maybe subscribe, let us know what you think. Do you have one of these? We'd love to hear your stories. We read all the comments, good and bad. And we hope to catch you guys on the next one because we have a lot more cool trucks, cars, campers coming down the pipeline. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.